Welcome back to Next Level Rides. In today's episode, we're going to once again upgrade the paddles on my G30 540. One of the reasons why I'm going to be upgrading is these are not so satisfying, and I got some nice clicky boys. So stay tuned and we're going to get them changed. So these ones here are the M3 competition ones. Now when I put them in the G series, they kind of rattle and they're a little loose. No matter what I did, they were always going to be a little rattly, a little loose. So I'm going to show you really quickly, just on the side here. Where is it? So there's a little hole here you end up poking. So you put a screwdriver through there. I use a T25. So when you put the screwdriver in here, you're going to be pushing right against this spring. So this spring here, you'll see right inside. What I do to help myself is push on the airbag, push it a little bit, pop the one side out, and then do the same on the opposite side. Once you've released both of those, the airbag will come out, and then it's just one connector here. I use a little right angle pick tool to pick it out. So just inside here, you're gonna have a T20 screw. So you're gonna use a screwdriver or whatever to turn this out. And once you get both of the bolts out, then you can pick both paddles out. So there's the left one. Listen to that not so clicky boy. And not as satisfying. Could be better. It doesn't help when it's mostly plastic. And the newer ones, they actually look like they're billet, or mostly billet, or sort of billet. So I'll show them to you in a quick second here. Okay, so here's the box that we got from the AliExpress supplier. So we got a very, very, very nice deep discount on this. We'd like to give them a shout out, but I don't remember the 25 numbers for the seller. So anyways, we're gonna show them what they ended up sending us here. All right, so we get, hey, that's actually kind of nice. Two little Allen keys with the ball ends on it. You never see ball ends. So here's one. So these are the short paddles. And then we'll pull this one out. So here's the right one. Actually, there's quite a bit of weight to them, and it's full aluminum. That's pretty nice. So these must be the additional paddles. Yeah, so there's the longer boys, left and right. So these are aluminum with actual carbon just over top of them. That's actually really nice quality. Okay, so I guess a moment of truth. Let's hear what they sound like. Oh, it's not the whole body of it that moves like on the factory one. So you can see on this one where they have the plastic rod and it pivots just on that plastic rod, but this, it's actually just the end. Oh my God. So again, side by side. All right, so we're gonna put those aside. Not that they're bad, they're just not good. So, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually change them over to the longer paddles because I think I'd like to use those. So hide the magnet. Oh, even that has a nice click. All right. So that's the negative, and by negative I mean down. So what I just kind of realized with taking this one apart, I'm going to put that one down really quick, is the bolts are through the back side of it. But what you could do, since it's completely threaded, is you can further adjust if you want them closer to the wheel or further. So you can take this, put it on this side of the flange, and then put the bolts from the front side. Man, that's some nice adjustability. And obviously here, when you take a look at them, these are a bit of an eccentric hole, so you can slide them in and out to fine tune them. That's actually really nice. That's some decent attention to detail. I don't know if it's attention to detail or if it's just the way you get it, but it's pretty nice. So let's make them closer to the wheel. So you can see the difference in the actual overall length. So these are more of, I guess, maybe a competition style, whereas these, you have more of a range to actually grab the paddle. Now, because these are magnetic, I have full trust that you can grab it from either end of the paddle itself, and it's still going to give you the exact same engagement and the click. So the shorter ones are nice. I guess maybe it's more of an F1 style, but I want to go with those just because they're just what I'm used to. So we're going to change the other one over now. Okay, so I got the paddles swapped over, and now we're going to go throw them in really quick. And I believe it actually gives you some new screws. So we're going to grab the larger screws and the larger Allen key. Time to go install them. All right, so simple install. They connect like the old ones, and damn, that's good. That's a good click. So after you're done enjoying the audible aurora and ASMR of your vehicle, you put the Allen key down, finish connecting these, the connectors for each one, tuck them away so in case you ever change them, you're not going to hit them with the screwdriver when you go to pop the airbag back in, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, now that we have light, it's very race car. This is going to be my new fidget toy. Upshift, downshift, upshift, downshift, downshift, pin it, eat that Benz, waste that Audi, upshift, upshift again. Hey. So they do sound really good. I'm actually pretty impressed with them. It's definitely more audible than the other ones. So A+, I like them. Okay, so I'm gonna be busy for the next little bit here, but we're gonna leave a link to this actual product in the description for you. As always, feel free to like and subscribe, hit the dingle jingle button, and we'll see you in the next one. In today's episode, we're going to be installing some magnetic pedals. Shut up, dirt bike! He listened. Last night we let the liquor talk. Taylor doesn't know what he's doing. Accurate.